Class 9, let us continue this chapter. Now, this is the last video for this chapter. One or two sums we can do more, and chapter is also completed. Chapter will be completed, all sums done. Only SAQ part and MCQ part few sums left that we will do in class. Offline mode or online, whatever I will get, I will do it. Only two sums we will do now, so it's better to do number 11. I will not do because already I have said 3 points are there, and we have to prove that this is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle when we will join these 3 points. So better not to do the sum on your own. Only find the 3 sides length. Okay, you will get 3 sides equal, then it will be proved that this is a equilateral triangle. Now next, sum number 12. This is important. Let us show that the 4 points, this and this, and form a parallelogram when they are joined orderly. So let us -7 comma 12. Next is 19, 18. Next is 15 comma -6, and it is -11 comma -12. They will form a parallelogram when they are joined orderly. They will form a parallelogram when it will be joined orderly. Okay, so let us write, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, so -7, 12, this is 19, 18, 15 -6, -11, -12. Now, when it is a parallelogram, one property is there for parallelogram. What is the property? Sorry. Okay. What is the property of parallelogram? Parallelogram means when opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel as well as it will be equal. Okay, that means here in the parallelogram ABCD, if it is a parallelogram, then we have to prove that AB is equal to DC and AB is parallel to DC. Okay, and AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. Similarly, this side already said. Okay, this is one property. Opposite sides are parallel and equal for a parallelogram. Okay, but here if we follow this property, then the sum will be very long. So we will not use that property. Another property is there. What is that property? Parallelogram, diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Remember, what did I say? Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisection? Bisection means if I say this is one point, if I say this is a point X and this is a point Y. Point of bisection means when X, Y will be bisected at this point. That means this, if we say this is say P. XY, if the point line XY is bisected at the point P, that means the value of PX, the length of PX is equal to PY. That means P is the midpoint of XY. P is the midpoint of XY. Now, if the coordinate of X, say X1, Y1, and Y is X2, Y2, then how to find the midpoint? Midpoint means sum of the X coordinate by then divided by 2, and again sum of the Y coordinates divided by 2. So what is the coordinate of P then? X coordinate of P will be X1 plus X2 by 2, and Y coordinate of the point P will be Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Okay, so this way we can find the midpoint of any line. Midpoint of any line. We can find the x coordinate, we can find the y coordinate. Okay, now from here the same, this theory we will apply. We have to find the midpoint of the line AC, that means midpoint of the diagonal AC. Similarly, we will find the midpoint of the diagonal BD. So let us find midpoint of the diagonal AC. Midpoint of the diagonal AC is equal to, what did I say? X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Minus 7 plus 15 by 2, 12 minus 6 by 2. Okay. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 4, 3. And midpoint of BD. (19 minus 11 by 2). 18 minus 12 by 2. X1 plus X2. Here plus value is minus 11. So 19 plus minus 11, that is minus 11. So 19 minus 11 means only 8. So 8 by 2 is again 4. 18 minus 12 is again 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Now see, this is it and this. These 2 points are same. Therefore, we can say their AC and BD, these two diagonals bisect each other at O. O means 4, 3. Okay. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. No need to prove that AB is equal to DC, AB parallel to DC, and AD is equal to BC, AD parallel to BC. Don't go for that. Only this is sufficient. Understood? So at first what we will do, at first let us recapitulate this part. At first we have to know how to find the midpoint of a line segment if the 2 points of the line segment end 2 points are given. Here end 2 points are x and y. X is x1, y1, y is x2, y2. How to find the midpoint? This will be, again it will be clear to you when we will study about the section formula. That time again I will explain how it is coming. Now just learn in this way. Sum of the x coordinate. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Then sum of the y coordinate, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Now, what did I say? We have to prove that these 4 points, when we will join in order, then it will be a parallelogram. So, parallelogram, we know the properties. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So, if we follow that, if we if we find the distance AD, then distance BC, again we have to find AB and CD. So 4 set of lengths we have to find out, as well as we have to write also that AD parallel to BC, AB parallel to DC. So this will be a sum will be very long. So I don't follow that. Okay, I always avoid this because this will be a very long method. So it's better to write another property. Better to follow another property. What is the property? Another property is diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Bisection means, already I have said, that means the midpoint value if we get the same. So AC, A and C, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. O is the midpoint of these two. How to find? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. X1 means minus 7, y1, x2 means 15. So minus 7 plus 15 by 2. And here 12 plus of minus 6, that automatically it will be minus 6. So 12 minus 6 by 2. 15 minus 7, that is equals to 8. So 8 by 2 equals to 4. and 12 minus 6, that is equals to 6. So 6 by 2 equals to 3. So we get the midpoint of AC, that is O is 4, 3. Okay. Now midpoint of the diagonal BD, same way, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus. Now, so 19 plus minus 11. So plus and minus a minus, so 19 minus 11 by 2. And here 18 plus minus 12. So 18 minus 12 by 2. 19 minus 11 is 4. 19 minus 11 is 8. 8 by 2, that gives us 4. 18 minus 12, that is equals to 6. So 6 by 2, that is equals to 4. That is equals to 3. So again we get 4, 3. So these 2 points are same. That means O point, midpoint of AC and midpoint of BC, BD, these two are same. That means these two diagonals bisect each other at the point 4, 3. That means when we get the point of bisection of the diagonals, we should say that ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so most of the sums, only one or two sums left in this chapter. These sums, other sums we should do in class. And before that, before coming to the school for offline mode or online class, next online class if I get, I will start this chapter also. That time, before that, you should prepare this chapter. Okay, then we will continue the chapter. Only very few sums left. Other sums you can do as your homework, and MCQ and SCQ we must do in class. Okay, either in the offline mode or in the online mode. Okay, so bye everyone. Bye bye. Thank you very much.